Hey squad, welcome back to Up. Is it worth it? So today's episode we got this cool around here, and basically what this is a case that you can use for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I believe for this one they do have it available for the iPhone 14 Pro and also for the previous version as well. And we see for the one that we got right here from this brand. But first I'm going to open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So when you guys first open up, inside right here they do give you the case, but they do take it out. Underneath the case they do provide the warranty card. And if you guys do take out the case, right here is basically what the case looks like. So you can see for this part right here, it's raised up just a little bit, so that way it does give you guys the protection for your lens. And they do have the opening for the camera lens, which is pretty nice. The back part right here, they do have a material that should be like anti-fingerprint. So when you do put your fingerprint on here, it won't stick on. So you can see the design of the case is basically a clear design case, but they do give you guys this option right here, so you can use it as a kickstand option. So as you do open up, that is basically what it looks like. So once you guys do put your phone on here, you do have the option to use it like this, or you can turn it this way as well. So that way you can use it as a stand like that as well, which is pretty cool. And obviously if it's your first time using the product, you do want to peel off this part right here. So inside right here we do have the button, same thing for our side right here. And they also have the slot for the bottom right here. And we see here is basically what the inside looks like. So when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it does feel pretty nice. And when you guys feel the inside of the case right here, they do have this very nice material to give you guys that protection. Especially if you can see right here in the corners, they do have like that airbag technology right here to give you guys that protection if you guys do drop it. I believe the material that's on here, it should be scratch resistant as well. And for this case, they do mention how it should not get yellow over time. Obviously we cannot see that right now, but over time we'll find out. But now let's put our phone on to show you guys what the product looks like. So you want to clip it in. Once you guys put it on, here is basically what the back part looks like. So we have to do the stand option again. This is basically what the product looks like right here. If you guys turn the other way, here's what it looks like this way. So you can see for the stand option, it definitely does work. And once you guys are not using it, you guys can push back in. Very easy and very simple. But right here on the side, we do have the button like I mentioned. Same thing for our side right here. And right here we do have the bottom part. And here we have the front. If you guys look carefully in the front, it's raised up just a little bit to give you guys that protection. And when you guys do put the phone on, if you can see the case is not that big, it's actually pretty slim. And when you guys do grip it, it actually feels pretty nice. It does have a little bit of non-slip material on here, so that way when you guys do use it, it won't slide off as easy. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality case that you can use for an iPhone 14 Pro Max, where it basically give you guys that clear design and also like a kickstand option as well, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.